Hey guys, we received this Steam Wise fast heating heavy duty steam cleaner for test and try. 6 adjustable levels with 1.6 quarts tank, continuous spray, natural deep cleaner with a portable handheld steamer with 15 accessories. So here is I'm doing the unboxing first so I can show it to you what inside the box. So here is the manual, all the accessories, the things. Let me just unpack everything and show you this. So this is a nice flexible the pipe or for the steam, and this the nozzle, the water bucket, like where you can just put in the water. So there are the accessory thing that comes like with this the pouches, different attachments, the water thing, and the cleaner, and the this soft cloth. So here we have to just put in the water. So I'm just putting in some water here. So here you can adjust this, whatever the attachment you want to, and then also like the top cover, you can wash these clothes after all, and pretty nice for doing that. Also like all these different attachments with the brush and the pressurized knobs and stuff. So you can do like the grill, oven, or any hard thing or the soft thing. Very nice, like the high pressure thing, and 2500 watt of the high pressure steam cleaning. So starting selecting the level, and then doing all this thing, just removing some of this protective covering thing. So initially it will take the seconds, because this is the first start I'm doing. After that it is not taking any much time, but this is like the first time I'm starting the whole thing. So but you never put your hands like I'm trying to do, because this is a steam and high voltage, and see, so it will just take a initial time to start, and not even a second it will take. And then I'm just doing like the speed thing, and it start giving the steam instantly. So high pressure steam, and easy to clean your stuff in, that I will show. But yeah, like I see like it have a little bit the time, and then you can see the pressurized steam start coming up, so just in seconds. um, and it's also like the initial one. So I'm just trying to show like how I can do this and start cleaning something. But you can of course see like the steam thing. Now I'm starting it again, and you can see instantly it started producing the steam. So the initial setup, it will take some seconds, but after that it's really ready to use. So pretty good. And just say like I'm cleaning this a dirty couch. It's a fabric couch or the ottoman, and I'm just starting this, and then started instantly. And I am just trying to clean, and you can see like how easy it to clean with the steam. And I can easily do like the brushing thing or the all other thing with the different attachments, and this is pretty nice to do. So see like how is the steam thing working, and it's pretty nice. So very nice steam cleaner overall.